Let's explore further into the world of knots with the knot of the week. This week, we're going to have a look at the round turn and 2 half hitches knot. The video you're watching is a small excerpt from the curriculum at Knotskool. I hope you enjoy it. The round turn and 2 half hitches is a robust and versatile hitch. It's favored for its secure attachment to objects under load. Its combination of a round turn and 2 half hitches creates a reliable knot with excellent holding power, making it a staple in various ropework applications. The round turn and 2 half hitches is classified as a hitch, and hitches are knots used to secure a rope to an object. To tie a round turn and 2 half hitches, first pass the working end of the rope around the anchor point, completing a full round turn. Then, pass the working end around the standing part of the rope and back through the loop formed, creating the first half hitch. Repeat this process, creating a second half hitch. Then dress and tighten the knot. The round turn and 2 half hitches finds use in applications where a strong, reliable attachment is required, particularly in boating, sailing, and general rigging. It's commonly used for mooring, securing loads, and other situations where a firm hold is essential. Industries utilizing it include maritime, construction, and rigging. The round turn and 2 half hitches performs well with various rope materials, including both natural and synthetic fibers. The round turn adds significant friction, enhancing the knot's holding power. The primary risk associated with the round turn and 2 half hitches is its potential to slip under extreme heavy or fluctuating loads if not tied correctly. It's essential to ensure that the knot is properly dressed and tightened. The round turn and 2 half hitches can be found in the Ashley Book of Knots as knot number 1720 on page 296.